What we do here is go back.
This shit sucks, bro. Having to crawl out like a damn centipede out of here, especially with the messed up back. But work got to get done, man. What's up, guys? Welcome back. So pretty much, guys, I did something a little bit different today, and honestly I didn't want to bore you guys with a bunch of talking and all that stuff, just like I'm not really going to try to do it right now. But pretty much we're going to end the video here. I just wanted to recap what we did in this video. Been out here for about 4 hours trying to get stuff done. As you guys seen, we ended up pretty much installing the sway bar. I was really kind of dreading it just because I didn't know how it was to mount and so on and so forth. I couldn't remember. I always thought that the subframe had to be dropped, but thank God we didn't. It mounted up with 4 bolts and the end links, pretty much getting everything sandwiched in between the front arms, and everything is fully mounted. We also ended up mounting the brand new Megan Racing Camber kits. Main reason why I went with them, guys, honestly, is I seen Dana Young Static ran them on his brother's wagon, and his brother hasn't had any complaints that I've heard about, and so I figured let's go ahead and give it a try. I believe they were Megan Racing, if I'm not mistaken. But we got new camber kits put on the car. I originally wanted to put on PCIs, but I didn't want to fork out $400 to $500 for a set of camber kits. Maybe in the future I will, but for right now we're gonna go ahead and rock these. We also ended up pretty much mounting on both spout fans that the DC5 Creations AC Tuck Kit recommends that you run, so that way it will run cold when you do run the AC. So we got both of them mounted. Unfortunately, the spout fans that I did order did not come with the mounting hardware, and I had to order new hardware from the Amazon or eBay. So this is the hardware that I ended up buying, and so this actually locks into over the fan. You put a cushion onto the back end, from there goes the condenser, you put another cushion, you put the spring onto it, and then you end up locking it in with these little clips here. Unfortunately, as I was tightening it on here, it would just spring back and it wouldn't lock into its position. So I ended up deleting this part. I ended up pretty much pushing the clamp back all the way down, locking it in, leaving a little bit of room, and then I ended up melting the end so that way kind of like sandwiched it or like mushroomed it, so that way it would hold tension on it and it wouldn't prevent it from coming out. Is it going to hold? I hope it will, but I can't guarantee that it will. Things happen over time with vibration and stuff like that, so things will tend to move around. But pretty much, guys, car is back on the floor. Tomorrow I got to move the car around, readjust the garage a little bit, make some room, make sure everything is pretty much situated, put things on the racks, and that way we can continue moving forward. On the next video, we should be able to start doing work onto the drive shaft. Unfortunately, we did run into a small issue where it's missing the C-clamps to lock in the 1310 joints, but he is sending that over. Then we just have to wait for it to arrive in the mail. So when it comes, and we'll go ahead and continue making progress. But for right now, guys, we're going to end the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please smash the like button, subscribe if you guys haven't, and let me know what you guys think about the all-wheel drive build so far. So with that being said, guys, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Till next time.